A hearty welcome to one and all. I'm Rohini Batwal from Gokhale Education Society's JDC Bitco English Medium High School with 8th standard science subject. And our topic is chemical change and chemical bond. Students,
in the previous video, we have seen what is a chemical change. We have seen a chemical change and the Bohr equation. We have seen chemical changes in everyday life. So in that, first we have seen natural. Now let us see man-made. And that first is combustion of fuels. Students, we bring about many chemical changes for our use in everyday life. Let us see some of them. The chemical change that we saw in the first activity is used in the cold drink called soda lemon. It means that it is an useful man-made chemical change. Let us see the first, combustion of fuel. Students, wood, coal, petrol or cooking gas are burned for getting energy. The common substance that burn in all this fuel is a carbon. During the combustion process, carbon combines with oxygen in air and the product carbon dioxide is formed. Means carbon plus oxygen, it gives rise to carbon dioxide. A common equation is this: carbon plus O2 and it gives rise to CO2. Combustion of fuel is a fast and it is an irreversible chemical change. Let us see the second, that is cleaning shahabat tile with dilute hydrochloric acid. Students, the chemical composition of shahabat tile is mainly calcium carbonate. During its cleaning with HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, the upper layer of the tile reacts with HCl and three products are formed. One of them is calcium chloride, which being soluble in water get washed away with water. The second product is carbon dioxide. Its bubbles mix up in air. And the last is the third product, water mixes with water. The following equation is calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid, it gives rise to calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. And the last one is softening of hard water. Some wells or tube wells have hard water. Students, you have might seen this. If a brackish to test and does not form lather with soap. This is because of hard water contains the chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium in dissolved state. To soften the hard water, a solution of washing soda is added to it. This results in a chemical reaction to form a precipitate of insoluble carbonate salts of calcium and magnesium. As the dissolved salt of calcium and magnesium go out in the form of precipitate of the carbonate salt, the water is softened. The following equation is chemical chloride plus sodium carbonate. It gives rise to calcium carbonate plus sodium chloride. That is CaCl2 plus Na2CO3. It gives rise to CaCO3 plus NaCl. Students, we have saw that composition of matter changes during a chemical change and a new substance having different properties are formed. When this happens, some chemical bonds in the reactants break and new substance called products are formed by formation of new chemical bond. Now let us see chemical bond. Students, we have seen the relationship between electronic configuration and valency of an element in the chapter Inside the Atom. Noble gases do not form any chemical bond as the electron, that is octet duplet, is complete, while the atom with incomplete electron, that is octet duplet, from chemical bonds. Reason for this is that an atom uses its valency electrons during a formation of a chemical bond, Moreover, on forming chemical bonds equal to its valency, the atom attains the electronic configuration of complete octet. Let us see ionic bond. The compound sodium chloride is formed from the atoms of the constituent elements sodium and chlorine, that is Na and Cl. We have seen the correlation that the valency of sodium is 1 as it has 1 electron in its valence shell, and the valency of chlorine is 1 as its valence shell is short of 1 electron to have a complete octet. That is, sodium is 281 whereas chlorine is 287. On loss of a valence electron from M shell, the penultimate shell L of sodium atom becomes outermost shell. It has 8 electrons in it. Effectively, sodium attains an electron octet state. However, the electron number becomes 10. Hence, the positive charge plus 11 on the sodium nucleus is unbalanced and the sodium cations carrying net positive of plus 1 is formed. On the other hand, valence shell of chlorine atom contains an electron less to the octet state. On accepting an electron from outside, octet of chlorine is completed. However, the charge balance is disturbed due to addition of an electron to the neutral chlorine atom. This results in the formation of an anion, that is Cl-, carrying a net negative charge -1. When the elements sodium and chloride combines, an atom of sodium gives its valence electron to a chlorine atom, whereby the cations Na+ and anion Cl- are formed. Due to this electrostatic force of attraction between opposite charges, the opposite charge ions get attracted to each other and a chemical bond is formed between them. The chemical bond formed due to an electrostatic force of attraction between the opposite charge cations and anion is called an ionic bond or an electrovalent bond. The compound formed by means of one or more ionic bond is called ionic compound. One ionic bond is formed due to the electrical charge +1 or -1 on an ion. The valency of an ion is equal to the magnitude of positive or negative charge on it. An ion forms the same number of ionic bonds as its valency. Let us see covalent bond. Generally, a covalent bond is formed when atoms of two elements having similar properties combine. Such atoms cannot exchange electrons. Instead, these atoms share electrons with each other. The shared electrons become a common property of both the atoms and thereby the electron octet of both the atoms becomes complete. Let us first consider an example of hydrogen molecule, that is H2. We have seen in the chapter inside of an atom that a hydrogen atom contains one electron, its duplet or short of one electron, and therefore the valence of hydrogen is 1. The two atoms of hydrogen are identical and have similar tendency and therefore they share their electrons with each other. As a result, the electron duplet of both the hydrogen atom is complete and a chemical bond is formed between them. The chemical bond formed by sharing of valence electrons of two atoms with each other is called a covalent bond. One covalent bond is formed by sharing of two valence electrons. Formation of the hydrogen molecule from two hydrogen atoms using diagrammatic representation of electronic configuration. A covalent bond between two atoms is also represented by dash joining their symbols. Now let us see how an H2 molecule of an covalent compound is formed from hydrogen and oxygen atoms. There are 6 electrons in the valence shell of oxygen atom. It means that electron octet in oxygen is short of 2 electrons and the valence of oxygen is 2. In the hydrogen molecule, the oxygen atom completes its octet by forming 2 covalent bonds, one each with the 2 hydrogen atoms. While this happens, the duplets of the two hydrogen atoms also are completed. Here we have finished our lesson. We will meet again in the next video, students. Be safe at your home. Take care. Bye.